Right now, within 1 hour of your life, you have almost certainly relied on the wheel without even noticing it. The car that drove past you, the office chair you're sitting in, the zipper on your jacket, even the tiny gears inside your phone. Now imagine an entire world where none of that existed. Not because people weren't smart enough, but because one of the simplest ideas in human history hadn't been discovered yet. By the end of this video, you'll understand just how strange and difficult daily life truly was before the wheel existed, and what your life might actually look like today if it never had. It's easy to assume the wheel is one of the first things humans ever invented. It feels almost too simple to have taken long. But history tells a very different story. Early humans mastered fire. They created complex tools. They built shelters and developed early forms of communication long before anyone figured out how to make something round spin efficiently around a fixed point. The wheel actually came far later than most people expect.
So how did early humans move heavy objects without one? Not easily, and not efficiently. The most common method was simply dragging. A large animal carcass, a cut tree trunk, or heavy stones were pulled directly across the ground using nothing but muscle, rope made from plant fiber or animal hide, and raw determination. This method worked, but it came at a massive cost. Dragging created enormous friction. Every single movement required far more energy than it should have, and the ground itself could destroy days of effort. Mud, sand, and uneven terrain could bring an entire group's progress to a complete stop. To reduce this problem, early humans eventually discovered something clever: rolling logs. If you placed a heavy object on top of several round logs laid side by side, you could push it forward with dramatically less effort. As the object moved forward, workers would pick up the log left behind and place it back down in front. It was slow, it required teamwork, but it was a revelation compared to dragging alone.
This method likely represents one of the earliest steps toward understanding rotational movement. Humans weren't thinking about wheels yet. They were simply trying to survive and move heavy resources with less physical destruction to their bodies. But this accidental discovery planted an idea that would eventually change the entire trajectory of human civilization. Now, compare this to your life today. You've probably never had to physically drag anything heavier than a piece of furniture across a floor. And even then, you likely used something with wheels to help you. Moving dollies, rolling suitcases, shopping carts, office chairs. You don't think twice about these tools because they've always existed in your world. But every single one represents thousands of years of trial, error, and physical struggle that early humans endured without ever having access to this solution.
So when was the wheel actually invented? Evidence suggests the wheel as we understand it today likely emerged around 5,500 years ago. And interestingly, it wasn't even created for transportation at first. The earliest wheels were most likely used for pottery, a rotating platform that allowed early humans to shape clay far more precisely and efficiently than shaping it by hand alone. Only later did humans realize this same rotating concept could be applied to movement. Attaching wheels to a fixed axle underneath a platform created the earliest carts. This changed everything. Loads that once required an entire group of people to drag across the ground could now be transported by far fewer people with dramatically less physical strain. This invention didn't just make life easier. It fundamentally reshaped how far humans could travel, how much they could trade, and how large communities could eventually grow. Before wheeled transportation, trade was limited almost entirely to what a person could carry on their back or what pack animals could haul. After the wheel, entire economies based on transporting goods across long distances became possible for the first time.
Now here's where things get genuinely fascinating. What would happen if the wheel had simply never been invented at all? Think about how deeply this single invention is woven into nearly everything in modern life. Cars, trains, bicycles, airplanes with landing gear, factories filled with rotating machinery, even the small bearings inside your laptop fan. Remove the wheel and you don't just lose transportation, you lose an enormous portion of modern manufacturing itself. Without wheels, moving large populations of people quickly across long distances would become almost impossible. Cities as massive and densely populated as they are today likely could not exist in their current form. Food distribution would be extremely limited. Without efficient transportation, feeding millions of people concentrated in one location becomes incredibly difficult. Many historians and researchers believe that without wheeled transportation, human population growth would have been dramatically slower throughout history. Fewer resources could reach fewer people, fewer places. And without large-scale trade networks, technological knowledge would likely have spread far more slowly between different regions of the world as well.
In many ways, the wheel wasn't just a convenient tool, it was one of the foundational pillars that allowed human civilization to scale to the size it exists at today. Without it, humanity might still be living in far smaller, more isolated communities with dramatically slower technological and economic development. Now, compare that hypothetical world to your actual daily life. You wake up. Maybe you drive a car built on an assembly line powered by wheeled machinery to a job that received its equipment through wheeled shipping containers. Your groceries travel to the store on wheeled trucks after being harvested using wheeled farming equipment. Nearly every convenience you experience in a single day exists because a group of early humans accidentally discovered that round objects reduce friction thousands of years ago.
There's something deeply humbling about that. An idea so simple a rolling log could represent the earliest version of it eventually became the foundation for skyscrapers, highways, and space rockets with wheeled landing systems. This also reveals something important about how human progress actually works. It rarely happens through one dramatic genius moment. It happens through small accidental discoveries built slowly on top of each other over immense periods of time. Early humans weren't trying to invent the modern world. They were simply trying to move a heavy rock without hurting their backs. And that simple problem eventually led to one of the most important inventions in human history. So, the next time you roll a suitcase through an airport or watch a car drive past you on the street, take a moment to appreciate just how much struggle it took to arrive at something that now feels almost too obvious to notice. Early humans spent countless generations dragging survival forward, quite literally one exhausting step at a time, before finally discovering a better way.
Maybe progress has always worked this way. Not through sudden brilliance, but through generations of people simply trying to make life a little less painful than it was the day before. If this changed the way you look at something as simple as a wheel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we explore stories exactly like this every single week, uncovering how ancient humans really lived, thought, and survived long before recorded history began.